Out of my belly shall flow rivers of living waters. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now you sing. Out of my belly shall flow
You know, you are the
rivers
director of music,
of living
and anything you say goes. It is not about worship, it is about you trending on social media, making the world see who you truly are, having all the likes, all the comments, and all the followers on social media. That is the most important thing you need as a music director.
Please, Sister G, please sit down. Please sit down. I really appreciate. Um, I really appreciate what you are doing, but we don't actually need this song. James, I believe you agree with me. We don't need these ancient songs. We need songs that will ginger the people. We're talking about songs when we sing, the whole atmosphere will vibrate. James, I don't know if you agree with what I'm saying. We need songs that will energize the youth, ginger the youth. Like we need to start converting those secular songs to Christian songs. We need where youth will vibe. We need where the church will vibrate when we sing. We're talking about the vibration of the church. And that's how the spirit moves. This is what you're singing now, in fact. Songs that the youth of nowadays need. If I my opinion, James, my opinion is we convert those secular songs. You understand me? We convert those secular songs. We just maybe add convert it to Christian songs. We use the same beat. So that those things they hear there, that's what we need. I need us to have good likes, good followers, like, share, comment on social media. That's what we're talking about. What we sing, not when we begin to sing those your ancient songs and then people just begin to flip. You understand what I'm saying now, James? You know what I'm saying? They now begin to flip. No.
But brother, one thing you need to understand is that we are not singing to entertain men now. We are gospel ministers. What we are singing to bring down the presence of God, and through our administrations, lives will be transformed. So we in ministry, we are not just going there to entertainment or singing according to the trends for the congregation to flow. We sing spirit filled. We are not going there just to entertainment or just to sing what pleases the audience. We are singing to glorify God and to bring down His presence.
Gift. I didn't say we're entertainers. For crying out loud, we are ministers. Ministers of God. And we need to follow the trend. We need to follow what the youths of nowadays need. We need to follow what the church is looking for and not the ancient style of worship.
We have to sing songs that glorify God, songs that will touch.
And then the songs I'm bringing, is it glorifying the devil? Excuse me. I'm talking about songs that will vibrate the church. We're not talking about ancient and modern. You begin to sing hymns and no.
You should know that the Bible says God is looking for true worshippers that worship Him in spirit and in truth. So we being song ministers, worshiping God should be from our spirit, and we should also worship Him in truth.
If we are still worshiping God in spirit and in truth, but we're doing it in a unique way. James, you're not saying anything. We're doing this thing in a unique way. See, I have something anyway. I have something. This is what we are ministering on Sunday. I want our views on social media to spark. I need views. I need comments. I need shares. I need likes. That's it. Not songs when they, no, I don't want that. Not songs when they scroll through social media, they just begin to, flip. No, 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 no. While wait for others, let me tell you, this is what I'm thinking. Now, this is how it's going to look like. That is it now. That is it. Look at the views. 4,800 views. That is it. What's she talking about? We are to sing those ancient and modern songs. Are we going to get 4,800 views? What's Gift talking about? That is it. What's she talking about? I'm not backing down on this. No. We have the views, we have the likes, we have the comments. And that's all I need. This will make us popular. Rather than singing ancient and modern.
All to Jesus I surrender. All to Him I freely give. I will ever love and trust in His presence daily.
Look at her. Fooling herself. This is not what the church needs. You already saw your followers, your likes. This worship is spiritual. What is spiritual about this worship? You are in charge. You saw your followers on social media. Go on, stop them. Stop them. The stage is still yours. Make them stop now. And go on with what your heart tells you. How can I stop this? This feels good. But not the way our generation wants it. I can't stop this. This is true worship.